everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to study the topic we have left in the previous one, that is starting from this. These measures have resulted in cleaner air for the city. You might know of some other examples from your area regarding reduction of air pollution. Share these with your friends. So we were discussing about how we can reduce the air pollution. They are telling about this only. Then in the yellow box we have, do you know about the Say No to Crackers campaign, which was organized by children from many schools? This made a big difference to the air pollution levels around Diwali. So when Diwali comes, we all celebrate it with so many crackers and burn so many so we burn many crackers in the air, so it can lead to air pollution. Then the campaign, which was organized by us children, by children from many schools, Say No to Crackers, it has made a big difference to the air pollution levels. Then the quality of air at various locations is monitored regularly by government and other agencies. We can use this data to generate awareness about air pollution among friends and neighbors. Then there is a need to switch over to alternative fuels instead of the fossil fuels for our energy requirements. These could be solar energy, hydropower, and wind energy. So the quality of air at various locations are monitored regularly. Then we can use the data to generate awareness about pollution. Then there is a need to switch to alternative fuels that we can take instead of the fossil fuels for our energy requirements. We can take there could be solar energy, hydropower, and wind energy. That can be essential for that for us. Then we have activity 18.4. Now you have various options of commuting to your school, such as walking, going by cycle, uh, traveling by bus or other public transport, using a car, individually traveling by carpool. Discuss in your class the impact of each of these options on the quality of air. So you can do it yourself, that you have to only discuss among yourself only, that those who are traveling by different means of transport and what kind of impact of these will happen on the quality of air. Then small contributions on our part can make a huge difference in the state of the environment. We plant trees and nurture the bonds already present in the neighborhood. Do you know about One Mahotsav? And lakhs of trees are planted in July every year. So they are telling that we can contribute a small amount of uh, things in a state, which will make a huge difference. We can plant trees and nurture the ones already present in the neighborhood. So it's a festival called One Mahotsav, when lakhs of trees were planted in July every year. So here's the figure given of this. You can see this in 18.6. Here's 15 figure 18.6, children planting saplings. Here's the figure given of One Mahotsav, when every year of July, in the month of July, uh, a festival was celebrated for trees and plants. So now it's the end of this topic, and now we will discuss the next one in the next video.